2019 GMC Sierra 1500. This pickup truck offers 2 full rows of seating for premium comfort. It checks off in-demand features which offer more convenience, such as Wi-Fi hotspot, satellite radio, multi-zone air conditioning, 4-wheel drive, heated side view mirrors, backup camera, passenger seat adjustable lumbar support, memory seat, tinted windows, power driver seat, power passenger seat, pass-through rear seat, Bluetooth, keyless start, power outlet. The open road is calling. Drive it home today.